Bara la Afrika na sana sana Jamhuri ya Kenya wakati huu inaomboleza kifo cha mwenda zake Bishop Joe Kayo, mmoja kati ya waanzilishi wakuu wa kanisa la Deliverance hapa nchini Kenya na Afrika yote kwa jumla. Kanisa ili la Deliverance lipo katika mataifa mbalimbali katika bara la Afrika ikiwemo nchi ya Uganda, nchi ya Kenya, nchi ya Zambia na zinginezo. Je, nani huyu ambaye anatambulikana kama baba wa kanisa hili la Deliverance ambalo limeenea kote kote bara Afrika? Who is Joe Kayo? Bishop Joe Kayo alizaliwa Mei 5 mwaka 1937 kwa wazazi wa chochole kutokea katika kaunti ya Nyamira, na aliachwa bila wazazi katika umri wa miaka 12. Mtaniruhusu nibadili ndimi ndipo niweze kuwaeleza kuhusiana na Bishop Joe Kayo mwenyewe ndiye nani. He dropped out of school at standard 6 due to lack of school fees, and after that endured a tough childhood without parents' educational basic needs. With no hope for the future, Kayo sank into substance abuse and crime, and he attempted to take his own life 3 times without success. In 1957, in his prime teen, Kayo was hospitalized in a Mombasa hospital after he fell ill. With doctors having little hope for his recovery, they took him to televangelist T.L. Osborne's crusade and left him there, and it is when he heard about Jesus, accepted salvation and was healed. 2 weeks later, while alone, Kayo revealed that he was baptized by the Holy Spirit and heard God's voice telling him to go and preach about the gospel. With God's voice in 1957, the journey of Joe Kayo Ministries kicked off in the coastal Kenya. By 1960, he had established 2 congregations in Mombasa and Kilifi and moved to Nyanza, where he stayed with famous British preacher Derek Prince. Kayo then moved to Kampala, Uganda, where he, together with others, he pioneered the Pentecostal faith and stayed there for 9 years. He later left Deliverance Church. Kayo founded Deliverance Church Kenya and Uganda, Juba Pentecostal Church, and helped plant Family of God churches. Yesterday is when Bishop Joe Kayo rested, and Kenyans, mostly the pastors, mourned the death of this great man of God. Until his death, Kayo had weekly meetings with congregations at Nairobi City Hall. In a Facebook post, Pastor Sarah Kenyajui of the Shera City Builders Ministries eulogized Kayo as a great preacher who will be sorely missed and reminisced about the first time he visited his office. Now, speaking about this man, a lot has been said, but the truth remains. He is a man who sought God's favor through every way he knows how, preached the gospel and changed a lot of lives. All we can say is that we wish that he may rest in peace, and may God take his heart where he takes the people that have pioneered and have also spread the gospel and done the work that they were brought to do in the universe. Lala salama baba Bishop Joe Kayo. Ni hayo kwa sasa. Usisahau kusubscribe ndani ya FM Show KE. Tuungane kwenye video zetu zijazo.